Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video, I will show you how you can design a up and down counter using 7 segment display. Let's start the video. Up and down counter using 7 segment display. Project description. In this project, 7 segment display is connected to the port C and the two switches are connected to RD6 and RD7 pin of the PIC16F887 microcontroller, and the microcontroller is operated from a 4 MHz crystal. When switch 1 is pressed, it will increment the count, and when switch 2 is pressed, it will decrement the count on the 7 segment display. Circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram we will use in our project, that is PIC16F887. Pin number 14 and 13 are interfaced with the 4 MHz crystal, and we are using 22 PF capacitor. Pin number 1 is reset pin. Here is port C. Port C is interfaced with the 7 segment display. We are using common and NOR type 7 segment display, and we are using 220 ohm current limiting resistor, and we are using two switch. Switch 1 is connected with the RD6 pin and switch 2 is connected with the RD7 pin. When we will press switch number 1, it will increment the count, and when we will press switch number 2, it will decrement on the 7 segment display. And here is the value of the resistor 4.7K, that is the pull up resistor for the switch. Now we will draw its circuit in a Proteus, and after that we will test this circuit. Friends, circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in a MPLAB. After that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready, and I already wrote a code, otherwise video get very long. I will copy this code and I will paste it. Here I will explain you the code. Here is the PIC16F887 bit configuration, that is XC header file, and that is PIC16F887 header file. Here we define a crystal frequency. We are using 4 MHz crystal. Here we define a disk as a display on port C. Here we define a switch 1 on RD6 pin. Here we define a switch 2 on RD7 pin. Here is the function of the up count. Here is the function of the down counter. Here is the function of the debouncing delay for the switch. And here is unsigned char code. Here is the 7 segment display number code. I already explained you in the last video. Here is the unsigned char num. We are using that variable in our project. From here main code is start. In main code, first of all we will use TRISC is equal to 0. We will set port C as a output port and we will set num is equal to 9. The initial value of the num is equal to 9 and we will send that num into a code. Code will find the code from this array and 7 segment will display the initial value 0. While one loop, that is endless loop. If switch 1 is pressed, it will take delay for debouncing delay. It will call the up counter. Here is the function of the up counter. In up counter we will just increment the num variable. If variable num is equal to 10, it will set the value 0. After that it will send num into a code. In code array it will find the value of the num and it will send that number into display and display show the result on 7 segment display. After that there is a while switch 1 is equal to 0 and it will stay here until we will not release the switch. It means when we will press the switch it will only count one time. And for next count we need to release the switch and press again the switch. If switch 2 is equal to 0, it will take delay, that is the debouncing delay, and it will call down counter. Here is the function of the down counter. If number is equal to 0, it will set number is equal to 10 and it will decrement the value of the number. After that it will send that num to the code and code find the code from this array and it will send that code to the display and display will show the result on a 7 segment display and after that it will stay on here. If switch 2 is pressed it will stay here and it will not count next count until we will not release the switch. At the end we have a function of the delay, that is a debouncing delay. In debouncing delay we are using a variable in name of y and we are using that variable into a for loop to generate some time of delay. Now we will create its hex file. Just click on Bolt main project. File is created. Now we will load this file into our project. Double click on the controller and we will select the hex file. Pick 16F, up and down counter. Here is the hex file. We will open it. OK. And click on the run simulation. You can see in the initial value of the counter is equal to 0. When we will press the switch number 1, it will increment 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when we will press the switch number 2, it will decrement the value of the counter. When we will restart, it will start from 0. Okay friend, if you have any problem in code, let me know in comments and keep watching Star Technology 5G.